Alright, y'all, so we got through the balloons. I hate balloons, y'all know that. But they made sense and then one deflated. Just like I knew it would. Disrespectful, huh, Kawana? We hate balloons. It worked out. We came through. It's a 10 out of 10. It's a win. Period. Okay? Today is day 3 of Aruba. And how I'm capturing vacation. Okay? Enjoy!
That's all the thing. That way. I already have my mashed tomatoes and they be sausage.
We don't know how to play chess, so we're playing checkers. But with these pieces, let me zoom out. Let me show the setup. Let me show y'all in real time. Right. I already told Danita. I need her up. It's about to happen. Okay. Don't touch no pieces. Let me show y'all. So I'm black. I'm right here. Start over here. She's white. She tried to not move none of her kings. She right there. Thinking that was a strategy. And I got her ass. No, you do what you need to do. You take care of the birthday girl. I'm narrating the scenario. Let's see if she got a show. Okay, thank you. So, the wind is killing me. But she tried to not move none of her kings back there. But I got all them bitches blocked. She did get 2 kings over here, but they can't do shit. Nothing over there. That one can't do shit either because I got that shit blocked. Ooh, she's going for it. She's going for it. Yes. Fuck. Okay, good job. Good job, girl.
So she didn't expect her to do that move, but she did it. That was the one thing she didn't want her to do. Because my girl is smart, but what's happening now?
behind it. You gotta be a space behind it to jump. You can't jump somewhere. No, you gotta be able to jump. No. You can't jump. You gotta be able to jump.
She said new rule. Y'all play. You gotta pick whether you play chess or checkers. It can't be both. But you like this is a king. Like this is a king.
To be able to take it. That's your rule. I'll take that.
There's no space behind it for you to go.
That's why I can take you out.
No, you gotta be able to leap. And it gotta be a space behind the one you take it.
I'm going this way.
With these three, yeah.
She said accept defeat.
Accept your defeat, OC.
We gotta go take a food break. We'll be back. She cheated.
The food?
Photos. Birthday girl's behind us. She got some shit. So we're gonna take her picture around the beach. She got these cabanas. It's absolutely beautiful out there. Yep. I know the wind is tearing this sound up over here. Let's see what we can do.
Come on, let's get a picture with your scent in the water real quick.
Oh, give it to us, girl. You coming out the water or what, girl? Come out the water, girl.
I'm short, you feel me? So I'm gonna handle my business the way I need to. It's funny that you mentioned being quote unquote dragged through the mud, you feel me? Drugged through. Getting the information that I received.
Pigeon. Y'all have a good one. I was gonna say, you know your camera down there?
Yeah, she was recording.
Just now, I think we're about to do like trinkets and stuff, stores, souvenirs. Get into it. Traffic is popping. Let's see what they got in these stores. Here are some of these magnums. Uh-oh.
To a regular.
Regular. Enjoying the birthday trip.
I am. It's been amazing. I feel so blessed to have so many beautiful black women around me celebrating me in life.
Oh wow, that was emotional. Oh my god. Bye. They are wrecking up on this hot sauce, y'all.
I feel like
Look at the elephants, guys. Where's booty up?
yes, buddy.
Alright, y'all, we had a snack. Went to dinner. I'm just sitting here taking selfies. Looking to enjoy the view behind us. It's actually not too bad. There's like shops and stuff, gift shops. People are going in here. I already have my eye at a certain gift shop that's actually connected to my hotel of stuff that I want to get. So I'm not right around here. Plus, they didn't really have anything good enough. Like, not nothing that I like. I wound up getting a freaking ice cream because I just wanted something sweet. I smashed those fries and chicken earlier, y'all. Bomb. Fire. Cool. Okay. Haagen-Dazs was out here. But yeah, today's the last full day. Tomorrow's gonna be mainly travel day, but I like to capture stuff on travel day too, so I'll show you guys how that happens for me. But I'm gonna go take some night pictures. Maybe you guys can see them. If I don't take no night pictures, they won't be in the next slide. The next thing you'll be seeing is me traveling back home. But thank you so much, Aruba. Aruba, I love you. Oh wait, we actually have somewhere else to go. Just kidding, before I do sayonara. But I love you.
But just know, without getting their permission. No,
So we said 9, 10, and 11.
perfect.
8:31. Okay, so we got a whole hour.
Okay, I know but that way is straight to the right.
Okay. And you're gonna cut this so that
Yeah, these chips have been my lifesaver.
Metro connector station, which will serve as the center.
I've been thinking about this a lot too, and I was like, the next place I go to destination wise, I need to get out there and see more of the destination. This one was very specific.